Chapter 6 of Bizarre by Lawton McCall. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Recording by Nick Bulka and Herman Roskams.
Juif Bal. New and better ideas of child education are steadily making their way. Nearly everyone now acknowledges that the schoolroom should be primarily a place of entertainment, that the true vocation of the teacher is to amuse in an instructive manner, and that study is really a scientific form of play. Also, it is quite generally admitted that methods which involve mental effort on the part of the child are not to be tolerated. So much progress has already been made, but now there has just appeared a book which bids fair to carry the educational advance as far ahead again. This book, entitled A Baseball Primer of French, substitutes for the conventional pedantry of conjugations, syntax, etc., a vivid account in French of an imaginary World Series. Any boy who studies it will understand it instinctively, for if the foreign text prove obscure, he has only to read the English translation underneath. The author, Speed Stevens, who, it may be remembered, was captain of his college nine, shows a profound knowledge of baseball. Indeed, it is on account of his ability as athletic coach that he holds his position of instructor in French at Croton. The following extract gives an inkling of the rare pedagogical value of the book.
Dans le 10e point, avec deux hommes,
In the 10th period, with two men,
sur base et un sorti, Harburg éventa. Alors,
on bases and one out, Harburg fanned. Then
Bill le rosseur ramassa sa chauve-souris et
Bill the Walloper picked up his bat and
marcha à grands pas à l'assiette. Hank
strode to the plate. Hank
Harrigan, vrai assez laurier de plus grand,
Harrigan, true to his laurels as the greatest
vivant tournoyeur sur pattes, partit avec un
living southpaw twirler, started off with a
tiré dedans qui faisait zip-zip en taillant une
zipping in shoot, scoring a
frappe. Le suivant fut un bal, Dugan au
strike. The next a ball. Dugan on
premier descendit avec son bras et vola là.
first, went down with his arm and stole
Deuxième base, mais Brown fut mis en dehors.
second base, but Brown was put out
Au troisième, alors la cruche mit en dessus.
at third. Then the pitcher put over
Un bal saliveux. Frappe deux, puis vinrent
a spitball. Strike two. Then came
encore deux balles. Le compte était maintenant
two more balls. The count was now
3-2, et les éventails s'asseyaient sans haleine.
3-2, and the fans sat breathless.
Bill assomma une longue mouche qui tomba,
Bill knocked out a long fly, which fell
volaille. Il suiva celle-ci avec une volaille,
foul. He followed this with a pop
popeuse, qui l'aurait fini n'eût été un
fly that would have finished him,
manchon stupide de la part de l'attrapeur.
but for a stupid muff by the catcher.
Harrigan devenait grincé, et Cataway,
Harrigan was becoming rattled, and Cathaway,
voiturant de la ligne de côte, lui criait « Bras !»
coaching from the sideline, yelled at him, Glass!
Devers, il monte, là,
Arm! He's going up! He's going up! The
Cruche envoya une goutte facile. Bill débarqua,
pitcher sent an easy drop. Bill landed
là-dessus carrément. le menant par-dessus la
on it squarely, driving it over the
tête de l'arête court, loin dans le champ,
shortstop's head, far into left
gauche. C'était un oiseau d'une frappe. Dugan
field. It was a bird of a hit. Dugan
entailla, et puis Bill, gaiement cerclant les
scored, and then Bill, gaily circling the
sacs, glissa sauf chez soi, pendant que les
bags slid safe home as the
blanchisseurs allaient sauvages.
bleachers went wild. End of chapter 6.